Hi, this is John.
And this is June from Australia. We came to Jinan to see the Blue Elephant factory warehouses, to see how the production works and how the machines are made. And we're very happy with the Blue Elephant team and especially Tina for showing us the factory. We're really impressed with the cleanliness and the level of technology they use to produce the machines. And Tina also showed, along with the Blue Elephant engineers, about how the machine works, the edge-bander, the CNCs, and the panel saw. And they're very helpful in a sense that they can customize the machines according to your needs. So yeah, we highly recommend to come and have a look first, so that you have the peace of mind as well, who you're dealing with and what kind of machines you're getting. So we recommend you to come here and see yourselves if you are not confident. Otherwise, I don't see any doubt in ordering for you online as well. The team are very experienced and they provide us best advice on what sort of machines they recommend. Also, like I said before, you can customize your own machines.
You get a good price and also good machines.
Yeah, they look after you very well. Thank you.
Thank you guys.